Hello friends, welcome back on FinTech Affairs. Myself Neeraj Nimje, Chartered Accountant and your host for this channel. Here in this video, I am going to discuss about Nifty 50 index. What is the Nifty 50? The Nifty 50 is the flagship index of National Stock Exchange of India. This index tracks the behavior of a portfolio of blue chip companies, the largest and most liquid Indian securities. It includes 50 of the approximately 1,600 companies that are listed on National Stock Exchange of India, which captures approximately 65% of float adjusted market capitalization and is a true reflection of Indian stock market. The Nifty 50 covers major sectors of Indian economy and offers investment managers exposure to the Indian market in one efficient portfolio. This index has been trading since April 1996 and is well suited for benchmarking, index fund and index-based derivatives. For inclusion in this index, the security should have traded at an average impact cost of 0.5% or less during the last 6 months for a 90% of the observation for a basket size of rupees 2 crores. Now, what is impact cost? It is the cost of executing a transaction in a security proportion to the weightage of its free float market capitalization as against the index based free float market capitalization at any point of time. This is the percentage markup suffered while buying and selling the desired quantity of a security compared to its ideal price. A company which comes out with an IPO will be eligible for inclusion in this index if it fulfills the normal eligibility criteria for this index, like impact cost, market capitalization, float stock for a period of 3 months instead of 6-month period, and the constituent should be available for trading in derivative segment, that is stock option and stock futures. A stock may be replaced from this index because of the compulsory changes like corporate actions and delisting. In such scenario, the stock having the largest free float market capitalization and satisfying the other requirements related to liquidity, turnover and free float will be considered for inclusion. When a better candidate is available for replacement pool, which can replace the index stock, that is the stock with the highest free float market capitalization in the replacement pool has at least twice the free float market capitalization of the index stock with the lowest free float market capitalization. Now about as on 30th June 2021, Nifty 50 weightage index consists of 13 different sectors. Here, financial service sector has the highest weightage of 37.21%, whereas the fertilizers and pesticide sector has the least percentage of 0.62% in Nifty 50 sectoral weightage. These percentages are on the basis of June 21 closing prices. The top 5 sectors that are contributing more than 5% in Nifty 50 indexes are financial services with a 37.21%, IT with 17.43%, oil and gas with 11.69%, consumer goods with 11.10%, automobile with 5.34%. Now about the top 5 companies that are contributing to Nifty 50 indexes are: first one is the Reliance Industries Limited, has the highest weightage of having 10.01%, whereas HDFC Bank is on second place with a weightage of 9.59%. Infosys is on third place with a weightage of 8.6%, and HDFC Limited on fourth spot with a weightage of 6.55%. ICICI Bank on fifth spot with weightage of 6.41% in Nifty 50 company list 2021. This is based on the closing price as on June 21. All these stocks are called as Nifty heavyweight stocks. In this index, Indian Oil Corporation has the least weightage of 0.40% in Nifty 50. Now about the recent changes in Nifty 50 index. Tata Consumer Product is now the new entrant in Nifty 50, whereas the GAIL India Limited exited from this index with effect from 1st of March 2021. Zee Entertainment and Bharti Infratel Limited has been replaced by SBI Life Insurance and Divi's Laboratory Limited with effect from 25th September 2020. There was exclusion of Vedanta from 31st July 2020, and HDFC Life has been included in this index as a replacement of Vedanta in Nifty 50 index. There was a exclusion of Yes Bank on 19th March 2020, and Shree Cement has been lately included in this Nifty 50 index. So friends, this was in short about the Nifty 50. Stay tuned for more videos on stock trading. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Press bell icon to get all notifications. With this, your host Neeraj Nimje, Chartered Accountant, signing off for now. Have a nice day.